Hey Sam, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Thanks so much for having me out here. Take a look at this exterior wash. We got a lot of mold, mildew, lichen starting to grow on the siding here. And just as a reminder, whoever you decide to have to wash this, I hope it's me. This is all we do is exterior washing, gutter cleaning, siding cleaning. You don't want to let anybody power wash the siding. High pressure is not the best cleaning method for this vinyl siding. Essentially what we do is apply a gentle detergent and let that dwell, kills off all the green stuff and the mold, and then from there we rinse it with a high volume of water instead of high pressure. So you don't have to worry about any damage to your outdoor window screens, any damage to your windowsills, getting water in between your panes of glass. So this process is called soft washing. It's really the best way to go about getting your property washed. A lot of your siding is really dirty. This area right here in the front seems to be just fine. But to be completely honest with you, it won't take me but 5-10 minutes just to wash that down with everything. The hardest part is in the back. Gonna have to let that dwell a little bit longer. Any questions you have about our service, don't hesitate to let me know. The basic is probably just fine for you if you're looking to just get this cleaned up, and we'll knock that out for you with our low pressure cleaning methods. We'll take care of that for you. Thank you so much. Any questions you have, let me know. My cell is 815-520-6020. Thank you.